One more thing about Tesla. We have a new tease here from Elon that the Cybertruck will have no handle, which I guess in the demo there, it had some kind of handle-looking thing.
Right.
I don't know.
It seemed flush.
Yeah, I don't know. Did they ever reach out and grab it? I can't even remember now. But either way, it had a handle-looking thing. And they've been working on it and updating it quite significantly. And they even said when they first showed the thing, like, look, this thing's going to change as the development progresses. I heard that it shrunk a little bit from the demo model there. But as far as having no handles, here's how that came about. There was a Twitter conversation, of course. And someone said it would be great if Elon Musk had more time on his hands to tease more Cybertruck stuff. And then he got the reply, there will be no handles. I guess that counts as a tease from Elon himself. And I guess you're going to open it. It's just going to open when you walk up. Oh, there's a good picture of the original handle. Cool. Okay. So we'll walk up to it and the whole door will open. Okay.
So there wouldn't be this.
No,
that would pop up.
No. That was on the prototype. I'm guessing the proximity thing. The door will just open. You got the smartphone in your pocket, or the key, and it will pop open a little bit, and then you'll probably just reach and open it the rest of the way. That would be my guess. I guess I don't know. That's kind of cool. Someone's gonna be upset about it.
Yeah.
Somebody, I gotta have my handle, man. What if it malfunctions?
Emergency. Yeah.
What was that movement you just did with your head though? You went like this.
That's just what.
You went emergency. Yeah. You move your head to. I think you were mocking people at that moment.
I was.
Wow.